Hey Taylor-tots, welcome back to Justice is Served. So I'm super excited because, you know, July 4th was a couple of days ago. But I know that you were super excited to be able to see some fans that are pulling up to see me now because, God, it's like the 4th of July. Makes me want a hot dog mobile real bad. So I want Shelby to do her impersonation of Jennifer Coolidge.
Okay, I'm not good.
Are you here for the wiener too?
Yeah.
Girl, we're all here for the wiener, girl.
Well, we're filming for a YouTube video. Would you like to be in the video?
Yeah, girl, you going?
She's Australian. Come on.
I ain't mad at it.
Yes.
So we need you to do your best Jennifer Coolidge, okay?
Do you remember Legally Blonde? So you have to do it so they know.
Oh, like snap and bend and snap.
But no, but the hot dog.
But the hot dog bit for the 4th of July.
Okay. I don't remember.
It's like the 4th of July. Makes me want a hot dog real bad.
You're so good.
So now it's your turn because I want you to do it. This is for the channel, girl.
Yeah, do you want
the
to
wiener is
do it?
I can't do it. I can't do it. That was really good. You even had the whole facial features. You were giving
so you
face.
said because the lips.
Yes.
What you trying to say.
Yes. Okay, let me give it a shot.
It's like the 4th of July.
I'm so bad at it.
Makes me want a hot dog real bad.
Smoker's voice, she's like the 4th of July.
I don't quite have it down like Justice.
Well, look, it's like it was fate, okay? Because, you know, I got the pride shoes on and the giant wiener up here up in Houston. I don't know what it is, girl. But, you know, I'm telling you, the wiener is bringing all the folks out, okay? We're talking about hot dogs. Y'all stop being gross. Freaks. All these weirdos, I'm just telling you right now. But we're super excited that Houston brought the biggest wiener to town. And, of course, we're not size queens on this channel.
Speak for yourself, okay?
And the other two over to my left are giving me a wink right now. I can feel it right now. She's from Australia, right?
Yep.
Yes.
They're like, say something Australian. So what is y'all's name?
Ashley.
Ashley.
Grace.
Grace. I'm Justice, like the law.
Justice.
Yeah, Shelby.
Shelby, nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
so Justice is Served is my YouTube channel. So we call
love
them
it.
the Fabulous Taylor-tots. And then Shelby has a channel as well, but it's Shelby like in Shelbye, B-Y-E, and then she has her Shelby Bells. So.
You talk about celebrity gossip and stuff.
Oh, I love the tea.
Yeah, I don't do the tea. She does the tea, girl.
He is doing the tea on his channel. I do.
Girl, honey, I'm trying to be a tea. Stout up here and real skinny all the way down. That's about the only tea girl you'll better get. Well, all right, look, we'll get out of your way so you can play with the wiener all you need. Make sure y'all subscribe to Miss Shelby. Do y'all do any social media at all?
Yes.
Instagram?
Yes.
Plug your
You gotta
IG.
tell them, girl.
Oh, so it's Where's Ashley? Ashley with an I. So WHERES.
She's like, girl, what's my name?
I'm like, how do I spell my name? Carry the one. It's been late.
But I'm so excited though because I will tell you these shoes, the foam in here is like this big. So it looks like I have my knees done. I look very tall next to these ladies.
I feel like so
However,
short.
they're like, you can do that. But yeah, you know what? We're gonna pop off of here. We're gonna go find if there's other giant things up in Houston. And if not, tell us which inch you love the most. Did you want a small tour? It's not mine, but you can come look at it. Come on. Real fast. We're gonna go on the back side.
We're just gonna hope that we don't get caught. Oh my God,
I hate when there is stains on the wiener. But look, they got even the dash is wieners.
Wieners. And then you can see the seats over here. Oh my God, it says Wiener Mobile.
Girl, it has a sunroof.
No way.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Yep.
And then there's windows, and then every oh my
It's
God.
the sun's wiener, I guess. I don't know. Don't y'all block me. I'm not that makeup artist that, you know, be talking to them underage boys.
Yeah, the people that own the Oscar Wiener are looking out their window from the hotel and like,
And the door.
oh my God,
The door. Oh, don't touch it because it thinks I have an alarm, girl. I want to know what kind of alarm this thing has, though.
What if it starts playing the song? No, on. You have to.
Oh my God, honey.
I would say you have to put your mouth like you're trying to eat it.
God.
So that's a thumbnail right there where you're trying to eat it.
This is ridiculous. Look, the wiener, you know what? Who knew that wiener would bring so many people together? And it's all straight people. Who knew? There's so many men.
You know what the Australian...
Hey, Aussie, you better get it.
Oh my God.
We say like this. We see you.
Australia. Oh my God, the license plate says yummy. That's funny.
That's what mine needs to say is yummy.
She's got to say, that's not a wiener, this is a wiener.
Do y'all have the keys? We need a ride.
What a treat. Wiener ride?
We always heard that Houston had giant wieners, but we did not understand this is what they meant.
Ready?
Yes.
You two don't block this. I'm telling you right now. Don't get crazy.
No, we're just saying wiener.
Watch out.
Saying wiener.
I'm saying wiener.
I wish I was an Oscar Mayer wiener.
All I have to say is I ate tonight, just so you know, because you always want to know what I'm eating. Usually I don't tell you because it's the same boring thing, but tonight we ended up going to Joey Uptown, of course. Rich is out of town, so he wasn't able to join us, and we did FaceTime him earlier. Don't you just love when people with their little Honda
Excuse
gets
me,
souped
we're
up on?
trying to film a video.
So I ended up having a salad with some salmon on it. What did you have?
I had grilled chicken breast, and I had truffle fries because, girl, I've been at the beach all day in the sun. I needed some like fat.
I
in my
wish
body.
you could see her back right now because this is red as this wiener.
Oh my god, it is.
It's so bad. And she has the white lines from where
From
the
my
bathing
swimsuit
suit
was.
Right, it was everything.
I reapplied my sunscreen like 3 times, and look, you can still kind of see right here. I'm already burning, and like it's just gonna get worse. I'm red here. I'm red here. My back is so red. If we would get flagged if I showed you my back.
The funny thing is though, is she had the audacity of caucasity to say, Justice, don't I look tan?
Don't I look so tan?
She's red as hell.
Well, also this is self tanner on too. So this is self tan. This is how dark I am with self tanner. So I'm
trying to be tan,
and then I'm burnt, like a little lobster. My friends always call me a lobster because I'm like a lobster when
How do you spell that, girl?
Lobsty, lobster.
I kind of feel like you're like Y-E, trying to like plug your own name up in there.
Oh yeah. It's lobster, spelled B-Y-E.
And then you'll always want to see Chris. So, you know, I told y'all Chris how to... So here it is. Yes! So Chris loves Hawaiian shirts. I don't know why you act so shy and running back over here. No, they want you on camera.
Curry on my shirt.
Not the curry. No, it looks like
So fun story is Chris likes to wear all these Hawaiian shirts, and he has the button-up kind as well. And whenever we end up going to dinner, and he's like, "What's the dress code?" I'm like, "Not Hawaiian." And then when we went to Hawaii, I was like, "You can wear all those shirts that you purchased." But yes, girl, look, it should be. It's not keep it Oscar. It's keep it Wiener. Yummy. Girl, this thing is huge. Like, I don't even get it. Like, do y'all know the song? Do y'all know the song is all I gotta say. Even the upholstery has wieners on it. Girl, I cannot. This is what cracks me up. Not a full-on hot dog as the dashboard. But look, it's like super spacious in there, girl. What if somebody was sleeping in here? Girl, I cannot. And then of course, look at the shoes.
Looking at the shoes.
Look at the shoes, girl.
We're just giving them our channels. So yeah.
Ashley with an I.
Yes,
Ashley with an I.
Ashley with an
Her
I.
hands got creative.
And then we call her Aussie, but it's like Aussie. I see you, Aussie.
From Brisbane?
Brisbane, Australia. Awesome.
That's cute. I ain't never been there. My friends went to Australia, and it cost so much money to get there, they decided to stay there for like 2 months because they're like, you got to pay that much to get there. You might as well just stay for a while.
Exactly.
But yeah. All right. We're going to say bye, okay? You're going to do it with us because you know our new besties.
Okay.
All right, so the way that we say bye to the Taylor-tots is on 3. We blow a kiss that way, okay?
Okay.
And then I put a giant explosion at the end, okay? And then I do a split. With a high kick. Girl, I would die. Literally. All right, Taylor-tots, it was so fabulous to see you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the belly so you get all the notifications. And of course, if you want to tip a girl, honey, because you know that's a lot of wiener to have to deal with, girl. And it's got need some coins to do it because I get faint, baby, faint. And the coins is what keeps me going, okay? You can make it rain or you can make it hell. She takes all the change, okay? So we're gonna say bye on 3, all right? And bye bye, I mean just a kiss. I'm getting cute, all right? Don't be taking over the channel, Ashley with an eye. All right. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Mwah.